Hello again. So this is my second course with RSD. The first time experience was amazing, which dragged me to do more courses, and this time again it was much better experience. The overall experience of RSD basically I feel has given a new tangent to dentistry, because as a dentist we always like to give our patients something as close to nature as possible, and the whole fundamentals of RSD is based on go natural digitally, which is the most beautiful thing about here. And Dr. Aslam definitely is very good when it comes to teaching. He's very grounded, and the tricks that he always teaches, completely clinically oriented entire sessions are. The team is extremely good, helping. Dr. Shruti, Dr. Anaga, the other staff members are very helpful, not only during the courses but even post-course, wherever we are stuck. They are always ready to guide us, which is the very best part about the whole team. Dr. Mayank was very good, very enthused and passionate about the whole topic that he wanted to teach. He made it a point that the concept that he wanted to teach us about CompoPress from start to end is completely clearly explained and gave a beautiful hands-on, which has made us quite experienced about the whole concept by end of the session. So thanks a lot to the whole team. Thank you.